Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play local Ark Survival Evolved. First, launch the game and select Host/Local. You can choose Play Single Player for a solo adventure or Host Non-Dedicated Session to invite up to 7 friends. Next, pick your preferred map like the Island or Ragnarok. Before starting, review the general settings to set your initial difficulty and basic game rules. This foundational setup is crucial for your local Ark experience. Now, let's dive into customizing your game. Navigate to the General and Advanced tabs in the Host menu. Here, you can significantly alter your experience. For example, increase Harvest Amount Multiplier to 5 times for faster resource gathering, or set Taming Speed Multiplier to 10 times for quicker tames. You can also adjust player and dinosaur stats, making the game easier or harder, ensuring your local Ark world is exactly how you envision it. For ultimate control, Ark offers powerful admin commands. Press the Tab key to open the console. Type Enable Cheats followed by your admin password if you set one. Then, you can use commands like GFI Wood 100 to instantly get 100 pieces of wood. Teleport moves you to coordinates, and God makes you invincible. These commands are fantastic for testing, building, or simply having fun without the usual grind. Finally, let's talk about enhancing your local Ark with mods. Head to the Steam Workshop page for Ark Survival Evolved and subscribe to any mods that catch your eye. Back in the game's Host menu, under the Mods tab, you can activate your subscribed mods. These can introduce entirely new creatures, advanced building parts, or quality-of-life improvements, dramatically expanding your gameplay possibilities and keeping your local Ark experience fresh for hundreds of hours.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.